In this video, I am going to show you how you can download and install Roblox or your Mac computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. There are different approaches to download and install Roblox. The easiest option is to go to this website. The easiest option is to go to this website roblox.com/download and hit enter key or return key of your keyboard. If you are using Mac, then you will see a download button with Apple icon. Otherwise, for other computer, you will see one of these version. So this is the official website or official page to download Roblox on your Mac, and this is the button from where we can download the software. And once we download the software, we can only install the software. I'm going to click this download Mac app, and very shortly it will bring this type of window where it is asking to save the software. I'm going to click the save button so that it will be downloaded on our downloads folder. To install it, we just need to double click on top of this installer. I'm going to double click, and very shortly it will bring this type of window. Inside this window, you will find a small icon, and next to it is showing how to install. Double click to install. So it is mentioning straight how to install it. I'm going to double click on top of this icon, and very shortly Apple will give us this type of warning. It is mentioning that this application is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? We are going to install it, right? So we have to choose this option, open. I'm going to click open, and very shortly the installer window will be opened and a progress bar will be completed very shortly. And so on is completed successfully, then it will bring this type of window. Here we need to sign in our account, which is the Roblox account. If we already have an account, then we can use this option. Otherwise, we need to click this button, create account, to create an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click this cross button. I'm going to click the sign in button now. Once I click the sign in button, it is asking me to type the username and password. This is my username, and then I have to type the password of my account. Once the username and password is typed successfully, we just need to click sign in button, and if both of them are correct, then we'll be logged in to our Roblox account page. And that's it. In this way, we can download and install Roblox on our Mac computer.